Hi, you want to point out the location like this and get the address from the Google Apple map? Let's see this video how we are working on. In this video, we are going to see about how we can do the locations in Xcode or using SwiftUI. So we are going to create a Apple map. We are going to implement an Apple map, and we are going to point out our location, which current location. How we can do that in SwiftUI, we are going to see. So this is our old project only. So actually, this is the old project. You can see the form we have did in here, the bottom navigation transaction we did here. So this kind of transaction and all we did in this tutorial. So you can see this one in my playlist, SwiftUI playlist in my YouTube channel. So you can search and go there. And okay, so let's continue with our application. So this is the bottom navigation, so we don't have any work over here. I'll just create a new file over here. So that is map view. Okay, I'll just create new file. Where is it? Map views. Okay, I just created a map view. So in the map view we are going to create we are going to use a map kit. Okay, so map kit is a dependency we have to import to use import Apple map. Okay, map kit. So okay, I'm just implementing the map kit. So in the map kit we can show for showing the map to the screen is very pretty simple. Okay, so we don't want to do anything else. I'll just go and do it right now, right away. Okay, yeah. So I can call this map function map, and this one is the map functions. Okay, so we are going to do initial position. So the thing is two thing is that the initial position doesn't available for iPhone below 17, so it is above 17 only. So we have to give if hashtag available, the platform is iOS 17.0 to star. Okay, so if it is there means initial position, else we are going to use map. Instead of initial starting position, we are going to use coordinates. Okay, coordinate region. Okay, so these two things we are going to use, not coordinate region, actually coordinate only. Yeah, coordinate region. So the thing is, coordinate region we are going to create right now. So the region we are going to create is let me create, it's a state property. So this is first I'll show you how to show the map in the view, then we'll pretty sure we'll go and try our current point out location. Okay, so just state private var region is equal to mk coordinate regions. Okay, so this is the mk means map kit coordinate regions. In this you have two things, center and span. Okay, so center CL location 2D, latitude and longitude. So you can give the latitude, which latitude you want to point in the initial stage. Okay, then span is like CLL span. Okay, CLL span is not CLL span, ML coordinate span. I think ML coordinate span is location delta or the degree and this degree. So degree, this is like zooming. So which degree you want to zoom, like 1 means it will be like whole 1. So I'll just put it for 0.005. okay, so this is like a zooming point. So which at which place at zoom point, or how scale you need to be to that particular position. Okay, so this region we can use it over here. This one is like dot region. Okay, dot region, then this region. Okay, here we are going to use this region directly. Okay, so these two things we are going to use right now. Let's see, region dot expect ml map not rectangle gn. Okay, region. Okay, so this is that. Okay, so this one what happened? Okay, $sign. Okay, so now we can see our map in the preview also. So let me go and add the map in one of the screens over here. So that one is screen, this one will see map view or dot tag. Okay, so in this page map. Okay, I'm just Going here, you can see the map is showing. Okay, so that is, we have to add a permission, not permission we don't need. This is a already preview application, that's why it's showing. You can see the preview over here, actually pretty much clear. So it is in 0.0. I'll add some other coordinate. For example, I'm just taking the coordinate from the map. Okay, this one and this one. So this is what this is from the application. I'm just adding. Okay, so I just added, so the coordinate is added, so you can see the map. Okay, so you can see the map is available, so it is showing like in the very zoom in position. Okay, so now we can add the current our current position and how to mark that one. Okay, so let's go. So for adding the current position, we have to add the info. Over here, info means we have to give we have to tell the iOS which permissions we are going to get. So we are going to get ns location. I'll just add. Okay, add. So okay, ns location. When I use description, so the description will be like, we need to, it's like we have to explain what we are going to. I'm having that, so I'm just copy and pasting it. Okay, so next one also we have to add. Okay, next one is, okay, this one, same location and same description we are going to add. Okay, it's like I'm just, so you guys are just see it and type it. Okay, it's just normal explanation only. It's, we don't want to worry about it, but left side one, it's important, you have to give the correct one. Okay, so here we are going to use it. Okay, so we just added it, so that is fine. So now we are going to, I'm going to create one location manager. Okay, in the location manager only we are going to handle everything. Before that, I'll just new, it's a shift file, class file. Next, or manager. Okay, so location manager, I'm just creating the location manager. So inside location manager, I'm just creating class location manager. So it should be extend ns object, and we are going to add observable object and cll location manager delegate. Okay, so these things are I'm going to add. So once we added this one, we are going to add few imports. Okay, one is core location, another one is map kit. Okay, so these two things we are going to add. Once we added this one, I'm going to extract one location. It's like did update locations. Okay, so in this, inside this one only our current location will update, so we are going to transfer this. So I'm just going to create one published property. Okay, so that is like, so we have one location, maybe we'll get one location manager. Location manager is equal to cl location manager. Okay, once we create that, we'll just create one publisher region. Okay, published where region is equal to mk coordinate region is center and span, so the same center. So which one is like we are going to create the same, we'll copy over here what we are having here, right? This is actually this is not a original value, but this is a initial value what we are going to navigate in the starting. So after this, we are going to take our current location and we are going to use it. Okay, so I'm just taking my current location, user location is equal to cl location 2d. Okay, location 2d and private where your geocoder. So geocoder is bar, we are going to use this location as a reverse, and we are going to take our current address. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. Let's see, geocoder. Okay, geocoder at publish where address string. Okay, so that this address I'm going to store. Why it is like published where only, right? Okay, user location, something is missing, right? What is this? Okay, now it is good. Okay, so this is how this is I'm storing my coordinates in this user location. I'm going my text address in this location. Okay, so those two things are done. I'm going to add init function. Okay, once it in super dot init, once after the super dot init, I'm going to add the locations. Okay, location manager, we already initialized the location manager. Delegate we need to set self. Okay, location manager dot displayed accuracy is equal to KL location beat. Okay, this one location manager dot request when it authority. Okay, so we are going to request a permission. Location manager dot start updating the location, so we can start and stop. Okay, when we want we need to start, when we don't want we can stop it also. Okay, so this is the start and stop process, so that is done. So after that we are going to update what we are getting. Okay, I'll just we can add one guard. Okay, guard let location is equal to locations dot first. Okay, else return. Okay, if a location dot first is not there means we are going to return it, and we are going to add user location is equal to location, the location which we are taking coordinate. Okay, then region, we are going to add the region is equal to mk coordinate center and span. The center is same, which is like the same thing, the coordinate will be changed. Okay, so the center will be location dot coordinate. The span will be the same thing which we are giving here, because that is a zoom count. When we want to show the user how zooming you want to show very closely means you can like 0.05 to 1, it will be very close, it will be accurate to the street point. Okay, so I'm just using 5. Okay, so then it is fine. Then this is we already took the user location, so that is completely fine. But we are going to take address. Okay, so yeah, we already initialized the geocoder. It's not initialized, we are going to add the geocoder. Reverse geolocation. Okay, reverse geolocation, in the location we are going to pass the location. Okay, inside here we just don't need this. Okay, here I'm just adding place marks comma error in. Okay, so there is a 2 parameter for this lambda one. So one is if let error. Okay, so I'm going to return, so there is a error, so I'm just returning if so then next one is we can add as a guard let is equal to place marks dot first, else we can return it. This is also a guard. Okay, so both things are fine. Now we can extract the address. Okay, so I'll just add one variable address string. Okay, address string is equal to dummy. Okay, dummy when it is that if let name is equal to place mark. Where is that place mark? This one, place mark dot name. Okay, address string plus or equal to name. Okay, so the same thing I'm going to do for a few times. It's like instead of name throughput fare. Okay, throughput fare. Okay, what is this name? Place mark. Place mark. Okay, this one, right? So then after throughput we can add locality. Okay, I'll just add one comma, add one comma, add one comma. Okay, and I'm just adding after locality, I'm just adding administrative area. Okay, after that I'm adding same thing, country. Okay, so country. Oh, so these things are added. Then self dot user address. Okay, user address is equal to address string. So I'm equaling this thing. So these things are done. Once it is done, so we are address reflecting that address. Okay, so now we are going to update this in a Google map. Okay, okay, Google map. I'll just go to the Google map. It's a map, not sorry Google map. I'm just in that one. It's not Apple map. Okay, Apple map, we are going to use it. Okay, so for that the thing is we are going to import the state object. Okay, private where location manager. Okay, then we don't need this region. Actually, I'm going to add at state private where annotations is equal to, so the thing is the location will come as a array, right? So we have to add some hash id for that location. The location would do it won't have that, so we need to create one class and we need to encapsulate the location inside that class, and we need to add it in the map, otherwise it will give small error. But it gave me. If you have any alternative means, just let me know, I'll also learn. Okay, I'm just creating one struct 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 maybe identifiable location. Okay, identifiable. So we have to identifiable where id is equal to uuid. Okay, where, okay, let coordinate cl location 2d coordinate. Okay, so this is fine. Then init, inside init, yeah, same thing. Okay, yeah, it gave that. Okay, this is what we are going to give. Inside this we are going to give array identify location. Okay, then we are going to create the array. So in these annotations we are going to add the things over here, and we are going to mark it as our current location. Okay, so let's see what we are having. Let's say I'm adding here we can add like show user location true, comma, annotation items is annotations. We have to open and bracket. Here is item in. Okay, so in the item in it will come. Okay, let's see, it is showing what is the error. Okay, instead of this region, location manager dot region. Okay, location manager dot region, show this one. What is the error? Map annotation protocol. Okay, dot on appear. Okay, on appear if let user location is equal to user manager character, let id is equal to identifiable location. In the coordinate you are going to give user location. Okay, user location as a coordinate. Once the coordinate is done, annotations dot append the new element is identification location. Okay, so these things only we are going to give. Okay, annotations. So here I'm going to mark map marker. So in the coordination I see coordinates item dot coordinate. Okay, so this is how it's work. Now the error needs to go. Okay, yeah. So the thing is, on the map up here we are getting the coordinates from the location manager and we are updating this over here. Okay, so this is how it works. So now what we can do is we need to update the same thing over here. But same thing, you can add this annotations and this remaining thing over here, but we are not going to use for sounding, so I just left it for you. Same thing, you just copy and paste it, it will work. Okay, so now we can run it and we can check it is working in our application or not. So the mostly everything is done. So address we need to show, right? So let's see. So I will encapsulate with this in a geometric reader. Okay, reader. Okay, reader inside reader I'm adding vstack. Inside the vstack I'm placing this full content. Okay, full content. After the vstack I'm adding another one vstack. Okay, dot leading text. Okay, text should be location manager dot user address. Okay, user address dot font dot title 2. Okay, so that's fine. I think it's good. Missing argument, what is that? Alignment. Okay, dot leading, this one is not necessary, we already gave that. Okay, value of the type is fine. Okay, okay, location. Okay, so because there is a nullable property, so if it is null we have to show it over there. Okay, so it is done. I'll just run and let you know. Okay, we'll see. Okay, yeah, application runs. Actually it is asking me a permission for that location. This is actually, this editor is, it won't show up because of the privacy or something. The screen sharing is not working, so I am giving allow once or allow while using this application. So I'm going to the map section, so you can see my exact location is pointing with that one. So this is how we wrote here. So you can see it over there, my location is pointing over the road. Okay, so actually this is a pretty good one, and you can see the location also, my address actually that is displaying. Okay, so this is how we can do this one. Okay, yeah, fine, thank you.